Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. For our morning work today, we're on Unit 6, Week 3, Day 2. The directions say edit and write each sentence correctly. Use commas and quotation marks where they are needed. So number 1, my grandmother took a picture in Dallas, Texas. Fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat. Number 2, I said it's a mixture of sugar, flour, and salt. Same thing, fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat. Pause your video, do number 1 and number 2. Okay, continuing, daily math review. Do numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on your own. Pause your video. Number 6, Dan had 8 dimes and 5 quarters. He found 6 pennies. Now how many coins does Dan have? So we're not trying to figure out the value, we're just trying to figure out how many coins he has. So pause your video and do number 6. Number 7, you know what to do there. Make sure you show your work. Pause your video. Number 8, start at 375 and count up by tens. Pause your video and do number 8. Last one, number 9, if you have $1, 6 quarters, and 3 dimes, how much money do you have? So I'm going to suggest right off the bat, draw these coins and dollar bills and then add them up. Okay, it's going to make it a lot easier to figure out the problem. Pause your video and do number 9. Alright, let's start checking from the top since you're all done with all the problems. Number 1, my needs to be capitalized because it's the beginning of a sentence. Grandmother is a compound word, so what we're going to do is circle it and rewrite it this time without any spaces. My grandmother took a picture, spelled incorrectly. Picture, in Dallas, capital, Texas, capital, and then we need a comma between Dallas and Texas, so between the city and the state. Then we're going to rewrite number 1 nice and neat. Alright, number 1 looks good. Let's move on to number 2. I said it's a mixture, spelling word, there should be an E at the end, M-I-X, mixture, T-U-R-E, of sugar, so we got a list, comma, flour, comma, and salt, period. Let's see. And also, because it's what was said, we're going to need a comma after said. And then capitalize it's because it's the beginning of what was being said. And then we're going to have to put the quotation mark here and here at the end of what I said. And then we're going to rewrite it nice and neat. Alright, number 2 looks good. Let's move on to the daily math review. So let's see, 14 minus 8 is 6. 13 minus 8 is 5. 16 minus 7 is 9. 15 minus 8 is 7. And let's see, 12 minus 8 is 4. Number 6. So we're adding up all Dan's coins, so this is going to be addition. So he had 8 dimes, 5 quarters, and he found 6 pennies. So that means altogether he has 19 coins. Let's see, we're subtracting, so let's see, 4 minus 5, can't do it, so we got to regroup. So 8 becomes 7, 4 becomes 14, and so then we have 14 minus 5 is 9, and then 7 minus 9, can't do that, so we got to regroup again, so 9 hundreds becomes 8 hundreds, and then 7 tens becomes 17 tens. So now we can subtract, so 17 minus 9 is 8, and then 8 hundreds minus 3 hundreds equals 500, so 589 is our final answer. Number 8, we're counting up by tens, so each time the tens digit is going to change by 1, so 395. And then we have to jump to 405 because we've gone out of the 300s because we were at 395. And then 415, change the tens digit, 425. Then we keep going, 435, 445, 455 is the final one. And then if we have $1, so we'll draw a dollar. 6 quarters, so I'm going to draw 6 quarters. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 3 dimes. 1, 2, 3. All right, so we're going to circle everything that makes a dollar. So that's $1. 4 quarters is another dollar. So we're out of dollars, so that's $2. Then let's see, 50 cents, 60, 70, 80. So it'd be $2.80. All right, we're all done. Good luck on your next assignment.